All right, so this is the wine rack. It's a single 9. We got 3 of them. I like that it's streamlined. It's very nice and modern looking, very chic. Again, it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bottles. If you're trying to make this into a showpiece, then I would probably say 3 or 5. Even numbers don't quite look that great. This is a 10-foot wall, and 3 kind of look alright with this cabinet set at the bottom from IKEA. Still gotta paint the back wall white to match the cabinet, but all in all, I am quite satisfied with it. Now these hold only 750 because I want to show you. See, if you go anything thicker than this, it's just not gonna fit. I tried the 1.5 liter bottles and they just wouldn't fit, and they would sit in here. You could get rum bottles, vodka bottles, wine bottles with white labels will probably look the most sophisticated. They also come in 12 bottle portions. Anyways, definitely a very nice decor piece for your living room or even your kitchen. Highly recommend it. Alright, so today we're going to be adding a 3rd wine rack. This is a wine rack. I got this on Amazon. It's a 9 tier. It also comes in other tiers, I believe in 12 and 16. The price is pretty reasonable, and it definitely adds a nice level of sophistication to your decor. Connect part A to part B, and then it just holds it in place. Attach it. There was a little pin there. And we simply just place this over, pinch this, and slide it through. There you go. Now some of them, depending on who delivered it, they may not be straight, but you can just simply do this to straighten out the prongs or shelvings. There you go. Don't pull too hard because you may break the weld. Alright, now over here is your first screw hole, your second. So if you're trying to match the other ones, you basically need to take measurements.